Yung trending na tiramisu latte, meron na rin pala dito sa Indang.
Wow!
Kaya naman,
Saan tayo today?
hey Wanderers! For the Gora Bells na naman ang Team Boods at nakalayo-layo nga kami today dahil dito namin naisipang magkape at magmerienda sa Cafe Lulu na located sa Lumampong Halayhay, Indang, Cavite. May parking space sila dito sa unahan ng cafe at pagdating nga ay for the order na agad kami. Meron silang iba't ibang treats like tiramisu cake, cookies. Sa drinks naman is may coffee, non-coffee, fraps, fruit soda float, and other refreshers. For snacks, meron silang sandwich, croffles, pasta, and more. May rice meals din sila if you want heavy meal. Ang price range, nasa 70 pesos to 260 pesos. Not bad, diba? While waiting for your order, pwede ka munang magbasa ng books o maglaro ng iba't ibang games. At dito talaga nag-enjoy ng sobra ang aming team. Ang calming ng cafe, air-conditioned, very comfy at malinis. Masarap magstay at magchikahan. Tambay goals! Super nagustuhan namin yung mga tinry naming food like creamy chicken alfredo, ang loaded at hindi tinipid na Cafe Lulu sandwich, crispy and flavorful na mojos and chicken tenders, yung chewy red velvet cookie, and of course, their non-coffee drinks, refreshing talaga. Pero ito talaga yung highlight, ang tiramisu latte. By the way, available din ang Lotus Biscoff Tiramisu Latte. Kape at dessert in one, bongga diba? At ang sarap. Creamy, bittersweet, and sulit na sulit for just 200 plus pesos. So kung hanap nyo ang next chill spot na panalo sa ambience, food and drinks, drop by Cafe Lulu sa Lumampong Halayhay, Indang, Cavite. Open sila from Tuesday to Thursday, 1 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. and Friday to Sunday, 1 p.m. till 10:30 p.m. Close naman kapag Monday. Bring your tropa, jowa, or sarili mo lang because kape is life best. So alam nyo na. See you here, Wanderers!